Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you Taco Bell's quesadillas. So let me get started, okay? And I'll marinate this for 24 hours. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Okay, I got the Taco Bell quesadillas going in the oven, and I'm gonna place a timer on them. These are thighs, and they are well seasoned. I'm gonna cook the thighs for 35 minutes. 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And then I have one package of Sazon, okay, the tomato based one, okay. Add that in. It is very tasty. You have to try it. 4 cloves of garlic I'm gonna chop up. And this is the jalapeno pepper I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use about 1/4 cup of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Here I have about 2 pounds, 0.28 ounces of chicken. I just took it out of the oven, and so I'm gonna chop it up. Okay, this is chopped up garlic. This is a small piece of the jalapeno pepper. The ingredients, we have 2 cups of mayo, that's Dukes Mayonnaise. We have 4 cloves of garlic minced. We have 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 package of Sazon, and that's with the tomato base, and I showed you that earlier. Okay, and here's the chicken over here. I got to shred up for the quesadillas. All right, let me get started on that. Mix it up. I'm gonna add some lime juice to it. About 1/4 of a cup of lime. Okay, I shredded everything. Well, I cut up everything. I didn't shred it. I really like mine like this. I don't too much care for shredded stuff. So I cut it up with my scissors here. So you can shred yours if you like. And I use thighs for this recipe because they taste better than breast meat, in my opinion, okay? All right, so you have to try this recipe. It's a great recipe for game day, any kind of party, kind of food. It's easy to prepare and it's very good. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add a little more black pepper on the meat here, and probably use a little bit more of the seasoning on the meat here. I did taste the sauce. I need to add a little more salt to that. So salt everything based on your taste, okay? Okay, I added some more seasoning to it, black pepper, salt, and also added some black pepper and salt to this as well. I'll mix that up. I'm gonna grab a plastic bag so I can add all the meat and then add all of this sauce on top of the meat. And I'm gonna massage it in the bag before I start making the quesadillas. the spicy ketchup in here. All right. So okay, I'm gonna add a little mayo on the bread here so I could toast it. Not toast it, but you know, just warm it up. Add some cheese on the bottom. So I'm gonna add some more cheese on the top of the quesadilla. Now I'm gonna flip it over.
This is delicious. It tastes like quesadilla from Mexico. Okay.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.